And you do this word by word, but you could predict multiple words. So here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take a video and then train a system to predict the remainder of the video. But instead of predicting all the pixels in the video, we're going to run those videos through encoders, which are going to compute abstract representations of the video. And we're going to do the prediction in that space of representations. So instead of predicting pixels, we predict abstract representations of those pixels, where all the things that are basically unpredictable have been eliminated from the representation. So
is that a bit like also predicting tomorrow? Because if I were to video my life up until now and run it through the encoder, it will give me some kind of representation of tomorrow?
Well, yes, but at an abstract level, right? Mm-hmm. So you can predict, you're based in Bangalore, and I heard, so at some point you're going to fly back to Bangalore. Yeah. And you can predict how long it's going to take to go back to Bangalore, but you cannot predict all the details of what will happen during your journey back to Bangalore, exactly how long it's going to take, given traffic.
How far can you extrapolate? What will happen 3 months from now if I have data, video data of the last 10 years of my life?
So here's the trick. The interesting question. You can predict very long term, but the longer in the future you can predict, the more abstract the representation level at which you can make the prediction.
Let me ask you a question. If you were to extrapolate 50 years forward, all of our lives, you figure out how to build this architecture and it's implemented and it's working, where video of our life up until now has been programmed into it, and we are trying to predict 50 years forward. What do you suspect you will see? Climate change and world war?
So what I see is, so there is a plan for the next few years to build systems that can understand the world from video. Right. Perhaps what they'll be able to learn are those world models, which are action conditions. So they will be able to imagine what the consequence of an action or a sequence of action will be. They'll be perhaps able to plan complex sequences of action hierarchically, because those world models will be hierarchical. They will have world models that can predict really short term, make accurate prediction, but only in the short term.